Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm here to do my savings challenges for Friday the 12th of April. It's all about the dice today. I will be rolling the dice for all the challenges and that should be a bit of fun. I'm going to start with my 100 envelopes. I will be rolling the dice to see what I get. I have got 2 whites. Whatever numbers the dice lands on, then I will count the envelopes and stuff that envelope. So let's do this. Let me just get these out of the way. So we've got 6 and 4, that's 10, so I'll count 10 envelopes. But before that, I always have to forget something. And what have I forgotten? I have forgotten to count the money. So we'll just leave this here for a minute. And I should have £140 here. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. That's great. So that's 10. We'll count 10 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's £10. And then we'll do another one. That's 1 and 2. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's £20. That's lovely. It's getting there, it's getting there. Here are all the envelopes that I have stuffed so far. I've put a divider there so I know. All done. I will go on to the big roll the dice. I'll use the whites for now. And I'll use this blue. So let's do this. That's 3 and 2 is 5. 3 and 2, 5. Oops. That's 5 and 2, 7. Let's have a look if I've got any more 2s. I'm not quite sure if I've got any more 2s. No. Any 6 and 1s? No. 6 and 1s. 4 and 3. Let's do 4 and a 3. That's 7. So that's 5 and 7, that's 12. Let's just do 15 and let's have a look, see if I've got any change. Yeah, I've got some change here in the big roll of dice. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's just do this for now and see how we go with that. So I need to take 15 out, right? Great. Okay. So that one's done, the big roll of dice. I'll just put that over there and straighten this money out. Next one is the small roll of dice. I will use the black for the small roll the dice. Let's do this. Oh, get the glare out of the way. So that's 6 and 2, 8. 6 and 2, 8. Let's do orange, a bright orange. 6 and 2 is 8. Got 6 here. And a 2. Let's just try and get it out of the glare. That's £8. So we'll just put 10 in today. And if anything, just come back around and see what other envelopes we can stuff once we've done them all. And now it's the mini green challenge. There we go. Let's put that there. Get the green. Need to get the green pencil. I like the dark one. Right, and we're going to use the green dice that I did say we were going to use. The green. There we go. That's 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. That's £2. 6 and 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another £2. 6 and 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's £2. 3 and 2 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do one more. Now let's count and see how much we've got so far. So we've got 2, 4, 6 and 5. That's 11. Let's do another one. That's 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it's 11 and 5. That's 16. Great. And I'm going to put 15 in because I haven't got any ones. Just colour this in quickly. And I will put 15 in. That's lovely. I have promised to do a cash condensing and I will. Things have just been a little hectic. Roll and strike. Let's do reds for roll and strike. Oh my goodness. Let's get the colours out. So we're going in that direction to the right. And I only need one dice, so I always forget. Just the one dice. And let's do this. 1. Okay. 6. Okay, we're done. So that's 3, 5, 10, 14. We put 15 in for roll and strike. That was short and sweet, wasn't it? And should we do some more for roll and strike? Yeah, could do. Let's get excited here. We've got 3. Another 3. Oh. We've got 6, 11, 12, 16, 18. Wow, that's £18, so we put 20 in for roll and strike. At least I am saving. That's the good thing about it. I'm not going to moan or complain. Let's do some more mini savings, which I really do like, and maybe I can finish that. I've got 20, 35 pounds here, so let's go for it. 4 and 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2. 4 and 5 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2. So that's 1, 2. And we've got 4 and 1, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 4 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see what we've got so far. We've got 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 6. Oh, sorry. We've got 3 and 2. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what have we got? 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 exactly. Okay, we leave it at that. £10. We leave it as that, and I'll just quickly colour these in. Great, that's all done, and it looks like I've got some rollover. No, that's roll and strike. We need the mini green challenge. That's right. And that is going to be it for another week. All done for another week. Let's just put these together. We've got £25 for rollover, and I'm glad to have that. I may put that towards my savings challenges or for sinking funds next time around. that's that. I'm done with this week. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.